Hi, and have a look at this. We have the stunning M3 Touring competition with the Ultimate Pack. Come on, whip around the front end of this car, and this is where this car gets uber interesting. One, it's finished in this Isle of Man green, which I think is stunning, and it has had some extra carbon. So you've got the extra kidney grills in the front grille of this car, which makes it look more aggressive. You've got the badge upgrade here, and also you've got this lower extra carbon fibre on the front of this car. It does sit very, very well. I think, if I remember right, it's got some space. It's been lowered slightly, not on spacers. It has the carbon mirror caps and then the gloss black on the side skirts going on the doors. It's got the rear privacy glass, gloss black roof rails, and all the window surrounds in gloss black as well. Looks amazing. You've got this extra little rear tip spur on the rear of the car there. Carbon on the rear diffuser at the back of there. Obviously, competition, as you see on the badging on the rear there, but this Isle of Man green looks absolutely amazing. 23 plate car, covered 2,500 miles, and it's in the Camari orange interior as well, so a great contrast. It just looks awesome. Those seats are amazing with all the carbon, dripping in carbon, interior, exterior wise, Harmon Kardon stereo, multifunction steering wheel. It really does have absolutely everything. So it's quite a few upgrades, which makes this car stand out from the crowd. But that Isle of Man green, M3 Touring competition, Ultimate Pack, lots of carbon, that's the car. Come and see us at Scott Hardy today. Thank you.